as I said, we use simple shapes and basic shapes like circles in different size and ellipses in different size and ankles, as you said, in these ankles. With these you can draw everything. For example, for nose we just need a ellipse and a circle. So when you use these simple shapes, you can get to nose, and this is for full face, and this is, be careful when you move the circle in inside the ellipse, so you can have the nose in different angles. For example, this is this is bigger than here, and this, so we can touch this. And for full side, again you need this. So this is nose, and let's move on lips. For lips, as I said, you need a symmetric line, upper lip and down. So use 7 here, get the lines to the points, and another 7 here, make them here. As you can see here, we have 2 ellipses, and again another 8 here. So again, for different ankles, upper, down. Be careful about the symmetric line when you move it inside and between these parallel line, like this circle between this actually a lip. You can touch different ankles in lips. So now let's move on eyes. For eyes, as you can see, we have a circle. Again, when you divide circle to here, get points to here and here, you have the eyes. This is the base. In next step, you can do that. For example, again, you need a circle. Divide it in this way, and an ellipse here, and here. So how we can get this? eyebrow is here. Do that and that. This is the light. So this is a way how we can get to the eyes. This. The eyebrow. The light. If I want to make another example for you, I would move in this way. Let's talk about that. If you want to make an eyes with simple shapes, step by step, do that. So thank you for following me in this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is an intro for facial features. I have made about 2 videos, and this is the third one about eyes. So in next video I will talk about with more details and more steps. So this is just an introduction. So thank you for like and subscribe, and goodbye.